In this video, we will do automatic ambient light sensing and control using Nordic THINGY52 with the help of the color sensor and the LED present in Nordic THINGY52. For programming THINGY52, you will need to connect it to the nRF52DK board by the 10-pin JTAG ribbon cable. Download Nordic THINGY52 SDK from the official website of Nordic Semiconductors. Then open ThingyFW GitHub page in your browser to know how to set up the SDK. After that, open the project file present in the Thingy SDK in the Kill IDE. Open the menvironment1.c file inside the Thingy folder present under the project window located in the left side of the Kill IDE. After that, open the driver external light.c file inside the Thingy drivers folder. Then make the changes in the menvironment1.c file according to the project requirement in the color sensor data handler, that is, include the if-else statement as shown in the video. Set the data count value of the red, green, blue and clear resistors according to the required intensity in the if-else statement. The combination of the maximum data count value of the 4 resistors gives white color. The combinations of the minimum data count value of the 4 resistors gives black color. For this project, set the values as After that, change the sequence.color in the driver external light.c file from white to green as shown. Then click on the Rebuild option. After the rebuild process is completed, it will show 0 errors if the program is correct. Then click on the download option. If it shows application running in the build output window below, then you have successfully programmed your Nordic THINGY52. Now to see the working of your Thingy, connect it to your mobile using Nordic Thingy app and follow the instructions as shown in the video. You can download the Nordic Thingy app from Play Store or App Store. You will observe that the LED will turn on in the absence of light and it will turn off in the presence of light. with the help of which you can automatically control the lighting system of your house.